In a good relationship, people have high expectations. How they are treated, love, having caring nature, communication, trust, support, and many more aspects on which foundation of happy marriage is dependent upon. If your partner needs you to always answer right away, text them all day long, and you don't want that, that's not healthy. On the other hand, your partner always ignoring your text and you don't feel good, that's not healthy too. Finding a good communication balance that you are both comfortable is very important. Another key to establish respect in a relationship is to considerate of your partner's privacy and boundaries. You are not entitled to know everything that your partner does and everyone whom they interact with. Respect. Listening to your partner and trying to understand their perspective is a key way to show respect in a relationship. Even if you disagree with their views, respect your partner's choices and opinions. Don't try to change their mind about the things that are important to them. In a healthy relationship, both partners have mutual respect for one another. Communication. Communication is important to have a healthy relationship. In starting a new relationship, it's important to be able to talk about what you want and expect. Sometimes this means being honest, having uncomfortable conversation. In a healthy relationship, your partner will be receptive and you should do the same. While communication, you should both be comfortable with how you talk to one another. It also means being mindful of your partner's feeling, not doing things that might really hurt them. Having a healthy relationship isn't defined by knowing each other's passwords or sending each other emoji in Snapchat. Boundaries. We all have personal boundaries on what makes us feel good, comfortable, safe. In a healthy relationship, you should always feel free and comfortable communicating those boundaries. Know that they will be respected. If you want to hang out twice a week, that's fine. If you want to wait for getting intimate, totally okay. If you want to keep your Monday and Saturday for your friends, that's okay too. Remember, you should not feel nervous or scared to set up personal boundaries in any relationship. And if think that your partner is using those boundaries to control you, like telling not to hang out with your friends, it's the time to rethink the relationship. Trust. This is a big aspect. All healthy relationships require love, care, but utmost is mutual and unguarded trust between partners. Regardless of what either partners experienced in the past, like cheating, ex, or partner divorce, in the healthy relationship, your partner will trust you completely. Do remember, it takes time to build trust in any relationship. When your partner fully trusts, do not betray that trust. Cheating on them or doing those things which make them jealous isn't right. Or the other side, if you don't trust your partner, you shouldn't be the same. Don't ever let your partner use past experiences to control them. Support. If the partners support each other, both will be in a happy mode of life. One of the best things about being in a healthy relationship is having a supportive partner with positive approach. Whether it's taking up for you when someone says something mean about you, but your partners should always support each other. You and your partner will support each other. Treat each other as equals. Your partner won't use any text to manipulate you, control you, or put you down. They will be protective but not over possessive. They will encourage you to spend time with friends and family. Work towards your ambition and have life outside your relationship.